want to introduce Tim Achbrod, who's head of innovation at Sportscast. And we're going to talk a lot about the Bundesliga work that Tim and his team have done. But instead of me talking about it up in front, we're going to show you a video that takes you through it. Video speaks louder than words.
The multi-award-winning Bundesliga interactive feed turns a classic Bundesliga match into an interactive experience. All the matches, all the highlights, all the stats on every screen. The interactive feed offers the possibility of a personalized conference. Fans decide for themselves which matches they want to watch. All subscribed events are shown live as video alerts. If the autopilot is activated, an alert switches the conference automatically to the relevant match. If the autopilot is inactive, you can switch to the respective match manually or simply watch the event as an in-match clip. Missed a match-deciding incident? For each match, there's an individual highlights browser in which the most important events can be viewed. The interactive feed opens the door to a world of football data. Bundesliga match facts powered by AWS. Everything in real time and always in sync with the match. Missed any action? The Relive mode takes fans back to the start of the match. The interactive feed for mobile devices, web or TV. All information, all highlights, always on the first screen, no matter the platform. This is true OTT. Real added value for fans, media partners and Bundesliga professionals like Makoto Hasebe. The future is already here.
So Tim,
hi.
Love the video and welcome. Thanks for coming. Can you give us an overview of the role that Sportscast plays in the broadcast of Bundesliga?
Yeah, for sure. Sportcast is one of the subsidiaries of the DFL group, and we are responsible for the whole production value chain from host broadcasting over the international production to the delivery. And in this role, we are kind of the technical arm and are responsible to coordinate all development topics in the technology sector. And there we work closely together with all our colleagues. I mean, the special situation about the Bundesliga is that we are the only league in Europe that is producing the whole feed and the whole data by themselves. So yeah. we are have an own media company, and so we're producing the own video feeds, the own data feeds, and have the possibility to create products like the interactive feed.
So that's great. In 21-22 season, Bundesliga introduced a lot of award-winning interactive feeds, interactive feeds. Can you tell us a little bit more about the benefits of the interactive feeds?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, for us it was really important because, I mean, all of you know the situation. You're watching Bundesliga or any sports on the big screen, and you're heading to your mobile phone because you get any information or want some additional information. How is it in the other matches and so on? So that was very important to us to find a solution to bring the people, or to let the people in the core Bundesliga experience, and to be able to give them interactive patterns where they can get additional information like data, like clips or whatever, so that you can define by yourself which content you want to experience, and you're not just experience what the director is giving you, because you have the chance to get additional information as, for example, the AWS Bundesliga match facts or the current stats of the top scorer or however. And we wanted to be able to let the younger audience just in this experience and to give them the chance to interact with the product.
That's great. And so what was AWS's role with Bundesliga in this?
Well, AWS, I mean, they did the whole back infrastructure of the whole the technology on the business. So we are really here to use the back solutions which deliver the core services, and the whole software is then positioned in the AWS infrastructure.
Okay, and I believe Bundesliga now has 10 match facts that are delivered by AWS. What can you tell us about the match facts and what that means to the experience?
Well, I mean, the cooperation with AWS is very, very important for us, and we started, I think, like 3 years ago. And Bundesliga Match Facts was the chance to bring together the competencies of AWS and of the whole DFL group, the Bundesliga group, because we wanted to create new data match facts to tell more story, to tell and to enhance the experience, and to give the users new facts, new ideas, how we can tell the story. I mean, we have, for example, we have speed alert, how fast is the player, who's the fastest player. We have a goal probability score so that you can get an idea in which quality this goal was scored, if it was a high potential or a low potential to score the goal. And so we are integrating always new facts to be able to tell more out of our database and of the video feed we have to bring it to the customer at home.
I got it. And then AWS is working with Bundesliga on a tactical feed. Yeah,
Yes.
what can you tell me about the tactical feed? What is that?
Well, I mean, we're producing the main feed, like the program feed with this 90 minutes of the main match, produced with up to 29 cameras. But there, we also have a high demand for kind of tactical feed. The origin of this feed is out of the sports sector, so all clubs are producing a scouting feed for which you see the main 20 players on the match to see how they behave and how they move on. And we said, together with our national main partner Sky, who's with DAZN, one of the main pay TV partners, to create feed which delivers this information like the Bundesliga match facts I talked to you about just a few minutes ago, to bring them in like an L frame in the core. You have the 20 players in the main feed, and then you get additional information over this L frame. So you see individual statistics for the top scorers, you see the Bundesliga match facts, and you just can enhance for all these tactical interested people the feed and give them the chance to get more information. And especially because Sky, they do it on the top match on Saturday night, so that's like the most popular match in the Bundesliga match day, and where they have up to 200,000 people watching this feed. So it was really popular, or is really popular, to give them an example if they just want to have another experience to hop on the other channel and then get back to the program feed.
Those are great examples of fan engagement, which is so important for the sports.
Yeah.
What other ways is AWS and Bundesliga working together with Sportscast on fan engagement? Are there other areas we're looking at?
Well, I mean, I think that the core is that we bring together the quality, and that, as I said, we are really unique that we have the editorial competency, we have an own data company with the data competence, and we bring them together with AWS experts, and they come over to our offices in Cologne or in Frankfurt, and we then bring together our ideas and try to find out the best ways to enhance the engagement or enhance the experience of all the users. So that's really, like we try to understand what is the best way to do it, and we started with the Bundesliga match facts. And another example is our archive. We have now we produced over 10,000 matches over the last 15 years, and we have our own media hub archive solution. And it's very important to make this experience of the media hub better as well. So, for example, for the search engine to see, okay, you are user number X, and you are always searching for a special player. So if you're going personalizing, if you go into it, once again, you have your personalized history and you get personalized examples. Well, you watched this player last time, probably it makes sense that you have this player now time. So the typical Amazon.
So recommendations, personalization recommendation. Yeah. Great. So what can you tell us about other areas you're thinking about in terms of innovation with Bundesliga?
Well, I mean, for us, innovation is really one of the core elements, because we think it's really important that we see that all the younger audiences, they are not watching 90 minutes anymore on the big screen. They are not interested in this. So we need to give them different. We have all the ingredients, and we need to orchestrate it in that way that we can give the traditional viewer who is interested in having really 90 minutes on the big screen, and on the other hand, we have younger audiences which want to consume over our Bundesliga app or over the app of ESPN Plus, here our partner in US. So, for example, we now produced a second Bundesliga feed because there are some traditional clubs this year in the second division in Germany, and it's quite popular. So we had the demand from the US market, can you offer us a match feed with graphics and with commentary? So we integrated here remote commentary and HTML5 graphics over a cloud system and deliver this solution to see, okay, how can we individualize these products and how can we really enhance the needs of our media partners, because we are mainly working on the B2B platforms, and we really try to get the best elements to our business, our channel partners or the broadcasters in each country, to that they can make the best out of for their audiences.
Well, that's exciting. I mean, we talk about Bundesliga all the time. It's one of those really innovative fan experiences, and we love the partnership with Bundesliga and Sportscast.